everyone! Welcome to another edition of Cooking with Netsky Petchky. Today, we are going to be making this dish called frittata. If you are a mom like me na hirap magpakain ng gulay sa mga anak, then this dish is perfect for you. It is full-packed with vegetables, but even the pickiest eater will surely love it. Simula nang lutuin ko to since mga bata pa yung mga kids, this has been a staple recipe in our household. So if you want to know how to cook frittata, just keep on watching. The ingredients are garlic, onions, ground pork, carrots, potatoes, asparagus, green and red bell pepper, eggs, salt, pepper, and liquid seasoning. Heat oil in a pan. Saute the garlic, onion, and ground pork. Cook the ground pork thoroughly and season with salt and pepper. Add the rest of the ingredients and season according to your taste. You can skip the liquid seasoning if you feel that this is not too healthy for your kids. You can actually choose the vegetables according to your liking. I just personally find the combination of these vegetables perfect for my frittata. Easy. Crack the eggs and whisk in a bowl. Pour the meat and vegetable mixture on the egg. And cook in a pan. Cover and cook on low fire for about 20 to 30 minutes or until it is done. And this is our frittata. Let's eat! And that's how I make my own version of frittata. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.